In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up your AE301 scent system and everything you need to know to get your space smelling great. Unboxing your AE301. Inside the box, you will find an AE301 diffuser, a mounting backplate, a 100 milliliter bottle with the cap, 3 nails, 3 screws, 3 green anchors, a key, 1 double-sided 3M tape, and a USB cable. Diffuser specs. The AE301 is a battery-operated oil diffuser that can be wall-mounted or used as a standalone diffuser. It can also be powered through a wall outlet with a micro USB cable. It uses a 100 milliliter bottle of aroma and it can scent a space of up to 300 square feet. The diffuser can only be controlled through Bluetooth via the Air Essentials app, which can be downloaded from the Apple Store or Google Play. Setting up your diffuser with oil. Open the device and remove the sprayer head. Screw the sprayer head onto the top of the aroma bottle. Do not over or under tighten the bottle and make sure it's secured. Once the bottle is attached, do not flip it over, as this may cause the diffuser to malfunction or stop working. Programming your AE301. Download the Air Essentials app on your device. It is available on the App Store or Google Play. After you install the application, turn on the diffuser by placing the power switch to battery or power and then turn on your Bluetooth. 3 sections will show up on your main menu. Program My Unit for programming, Contact Us, which takes you directly to our website, and Frequently Asked Questions. Select Program My Unit. Remember, your AE301 system should be plugged in. Once it's plugged in, select your device, which will appear as a default title. In this case, it should say a barcode. Tap on your device and access the unit using the factory password 8888. You can always change your password under Settings. After connecting to your AE301 unit, you will be able to change the name of your machine. Under this section, you will see 2 factory programs, which you can select to start scenting your space. You will also see a plus sign to add a new program. You can create up to 10 different programs. You can delete any program on the screen by sliding towards the left and pressing delete. When you click on the plus sign, the screen will show working period settings. It will show a start time and an end time. Start time. Here you can program the time in hours and minutes of when the machine will start scenting. End time. You can also program the time in hours and minutes of when the machine will stop scenting. Below the days of the week, you will find the grade of the diffuser. If you want a low scent frequency level, select grades 1 through 5. If you want a higher scent frequency level, select grades 6 through 10. You can select your desired grade and find more details on each grade's pause time on our Frequently Asked Questions section of our application. Once finished, press Save at the top right corner to save your settings. Resetting the diffuser to factory settings. Press and hold the reset button located inside the device. The device will then beep and reset to factory settings. If you have any further questions or concerns regarding programming your diffuser, please do not hesitate to contact us at 305-446-1670. Also, remember to follow us on all of our social media platforms for the latest updates and special offers.